check this digital inflator gauge is 42.2 psi right of the tire. Alright, it's a UK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to talk about precaution to take when we're on high speed. There are certain things you have to do before you get to the road, because maybe you are traveling to far place, you want to reach there at a time, so you want to speed up on road. The precaution or the steps that you have to take before you start your journey is: one, you have to know that your seat belt is working, it's okay for you. Yes, so you put on your seat belt. Two, then you check your brakes. Yes, you check your brakes, your brake pad. You have to check the effectiveness of your brake. See, check the effectiveness of the brake. Then after that, then you go on to check your brake fluid. So check the level of the brake fluid. So let's go and see where the level is supposed to be before you start your journey. So after that, after checking your brake fluid and then your brake pad, you have to check the tire inflation, the pressure of the tire. Yes, the pressure of the tire, because if you want to speed up, you have to check the pressure of the tire. The load, it has certain load, it have its maximum. When load is inside the car, the maximum of it, yes, the maximum of it, you have to check it. And if there's no load, the minimum that is supposed to be before you start your journey. You're supposed to know that to prevent car skidding, yes, to prevent car skidding, you have to know those things. So let's go and see the precautions of the tires and then the braking system, your brake pad and then your brake fluid level. Let's go and see. So now, as you can see where the brake fluid is. It's in the line of the maximum, or it's in the maximum line. Now you can see there, and then down is the minimum. So your brake fluid is supposed to be in level of maximum before you start your journey. Let's see the brake fluid here. You see this one, nothing is inside, it's low. Yes, it's low. But you check here, you can see the brake fluid is here. The maximum is this. Yes, this is the maximum, and then this is the minimum. So you're supposed to make sure that the brake fluid reservoir is in the maximum level. And after that, check your brake pad. If the brake pad has worn out or not. Supposed to know all those things before you know that your brake system is perfect to move. And then you have to check the maximum. You see this tie, you can see here you have a maximum load. Yes, maximum load is 690 kg. You have the maximum pressure, it's 350 right here. It's 350 kPa. So the maximum pressure is 350. So this types of car, when there's no load and you want to speed up on highway, to prevent car skidding, you have to lower the pressure of the tire to come 30 kPa. Yes, 30, and then this one is 51 psi. So we're using kPa. It's supposed to be 30 before you start your journey to prevent car skidding, because car skidding cause car to somersault when there is high speed. Yes, it can cause the car to somersault and it can cause an accident. So you're supposed to level reduce the car pressure. Yes, when there is no load, it's supposed to reduce the car pressure before you start your journey. The load, the maximum tire pressure, I see the maximum tire pressure is 44 psi. Yes, when it's full load, is the load, the maximum it is. So when we want to go to high speed without load, what we're supposed to do is I need to check this digital inflator gauge is 42.2 psi right of the tire. So to go to speed or to go on high speed, you reduce this 42.2 to 30 or 35. But average you have to do it 30. Yes, 30 psi, so that the tire will sit on the road very well. That will help to prevent tire skidding. So if you do that, it prevents tire skidding so that the car will not skid to the extent that the car will somersault because of the tire of the ground is level the ground so that the tire can sit very well without skidding. So it's very, very necessary. Speed, and notice that overspeed also kill. So you have to check and then limit your speed when on a highway. So there's it. Put your digital inflator, go to organizer to check it for you, then you reduce it because you know that you are going to long journey and you need speed. So you have to do that to save your life. Thank you.